Before you rain this out of your hair, stop, because if you have been using rice water, cloves water or rosemary water as a quick rinse and wash it out almost immediately, there is something you need to understand about how you are using it. I have combined three simple ingredients: rice, cloves and rosemary into one lightweight hair care spray. And today I am going to show you exactly how I make it, how I apply it, and how often I use it, and the most important part of this recipe. But please do not misunderstand me. I am not saying you should leave every homemade treatment on your scalp for days. That is not the point. The important thing is understanding what you are putting on your hair, how concentrated it is, and how your scalp responds to it. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how I use this rice, cloves and rosemary spray in my routine. So if you are dealing with hair that seems to grow very slow, hair that break before you see the length, dry looking hair, weak feeling strands, or edges that you are trying to protect, then this is the type of simple routine you may want to learn about. But remember something very important: your hair does not only need to grow, you need to retain the length you grow. So let's start with rice. Rice water has been used in traditional hair care routines for generations. It contains starch and the other water soluble compounds that can leave the hair feeling smoother and more conditioned. And for someone who is struggling with breakage and length retention, that conditioner effect can be useful as part of a bordered hair care routine. But here is the mistake I do not want you to make. More rice does not mean better results. You just need only 1 tablespoon of your rice or 2 tablespoons of a rice. Do not use more than that. So the next thing you must do is to wash it. Wash it to remove those dirty and impurities that come with the rice, okay? It's very, very important. 1 rinse or 2 rinse is very okay. Then transfer it into your clean jar or a pot, okay? So for the rice I am using blended raw rice, okay? Whether blended or not blended, they are the same thing, okay? And also you can use any type of rice you have available, okay? You are good to go. But please do not use more than 1 tablespoon of your rice or 2 tablespoons of rice, okay? So now let's move on to our next ingredient. Our next ingredient is cloves. Cloves contain natural plant compounds, include ingenol, which is one reason they has become popular in traditional beauty and hair care preparation. Cloves can also stimulate blood flow to your scalp, leading to faster hair growth, regrow your edges, stop breakage, and also thicken up your thinning hair. If you use it the right way and be consistent with it, you see how effective cloves can be. But in this recipe, you will never go wrong with it, okay? Just keep on watching. So now let's move on to our third ingredient. Our third ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary is one of the most popular and effective herbs that can help you to grow your hair, stimulate dormant hair follicles, and also stop shedding and breakage. Rosemary is very, very powerful. Guys, if you are not including rosemary on your routine, I don't know what you are waiting for, meaning that you are not ready to grow your hair. But adding rosemary into this recipe is a total game changer. You will know why this recipe is very powerful, very effective, and very, very potent. Using only these 3 powerful ingredients alone, you will definitely achieve your hair goals. Just watch this video to the end to learn the full instruction on how to use them, so that you get that crazy, that unbelievable hair growth using only these 3 powerful ingredients, using only rice, cloves and rosemary. Guys, I'm not kidding. So what I just did now is to pour in my hot water to infuse them. That's how we prepare this. We are not boiling this. Please do not boil this recipe. If you are ready to get better result with this recipe, do not boil this recipe, do only infuse method. Transfer all your ingredients into a pot or into a glass jar, then pour in hot water to it and cover it up. Allow it to infuse only about 8 hours or 12 hours. Then after these hours, then the next thing now is to strain it. Okay, bring a clean bowl and your shifter or your shift cloth to strain it, to remove those particles. What you need is plain tea spray, no addition of any particles of these ingredients we prepare. Okay, so after doing that, this is what I have so far. So I go ahead now and add it vitamin E. This is an optional, but vitamin E can also help to condition the hair, okay, to avoid dryness or whatsoever. So if you don't have vitamin E, just skip it, but if you have vitamin E, just feel free to drop one of your vitamin E into it. Then your recipe is ready to be used. Now pay close attention to know how to use it so that you can get better results with this recipe. Guys, I'm not capping. Using this recipe the right way, be consistent with it and be patient with it. I kid you not, you'll see very big difference on your hair, both in shedding, breakage, regrowing your edges, sticking up your hair, and they help you change the way you think about growing your hair or the way you think about your hair, because this recipe will help you to start loving your hair, taking better care of your hair because of the results you start getting while using this recipe. And please make sure you watch this video to the end. Pay close attention to know how to use it so that you can achieve all the good results that come with this particular recipe. Guys, don't let down on this recipe, especially the way you prepare it and the way you're about to use it right now is the game changer. Okay, now here is the part many people skip. Before spraying this all over your scalp, please test a small amount first. Natural does not automatically mean irritating free. Your scalp may react different from another person, so always do a small patch test first before you go ahead and start applying it on your scalp. So always pay attention to how your own scalp responds before you start using it all over your scalp. Okay, this part is very important. So now let's apply this to our hair. After testing it, you are okay with it, then you can start now applying it on your hair. The first thing you will do is to work in section your hair in 4 sessions, 2 sessions, 3 sessions. It depends on how your hair is, depend on the protective hairstyle you are carrying. If you are not wearing any protective hairstyle and your hair have reached to work in section, please always work in section. Okay, now to spread this, focus on your scalp first because the scalp is main key for the goal. Okay, the scalp is very important because the scalp is where your hair is growing from. If you have healthy scalp, then it can grow better hair. Okay, so focus on your scalp, and if you spray it, massage your scalp. Do not just spray and walk away. Spray and massage, because the scalp massage with the tea spray work together. Okay, it will help you to see better results and also to activate your dermal follicles and make this spray to work so amazing. So do not wet your hair with this spray. Just a little light spray is very okay. Okay, now if you have any problem areas like your edges, your crown section, your nipple, any part of your head you want to solve, then spray this directly on that place and massage it. Scalp massage is very important. Do not skip scalp massage, because when you spray and massage, it helps to improve blood circulation and help you to see faster results. Help this product to work more effective on your scalp, then you can get faster results from it. Okay, so when you spray, you massage. After massaging after spraying all over your scalp, then you can go ahead again and give yourself another gentle scalp massage. After doing that, then you can now spray this on your hair strands, just a little damp on your hair strands. Okay, and press it in. Make sure that the spray coated and soak inside your hair strands, especially if you are wearing protective hairstyle like braid or twins. please press it in very well so that it can penetrate inside and get all over your hair strand, so that it can also help you for thickening off your hair. Yes, this will help to thicken up your hair and also reduce breakage, help you to retain more length. So it's also important on your hair strands, but the main focus and the main key is on your scalp. Okay, please and please do not skip scalp massage. And while massaging your scalp, if you don't have scalp massager, use your fingertip to massage your scalp. Do not use your fingernail to scratch your scalp. Please be very gentle while massaging your scalp. Okay, do not do it aggressively. You are not fighting with your scalp, okay, so that you not hurt or harm yourself in the name of massaging your scalp. Just be very gentle while massaging your scalp, and believe me, you will enjoy it. Okay, now this is the most important part of this recipe. Should I wash this out or should I rinse this out? My answer is no. This treatment is not rinsing out treatment or washing out treatment. This recipe or this treatment meant to be on your hair, okay, until your wash day. If you normally wash your hair once in a week or once in 2 weeks, that's when you can wash it out of your hair and continue using it. Okay, so if you are ready to get better result with this, do not, I repeat, do not rinse it out or wash it out for that good results. Just after using this, the next thing, just to use your leave-in conditioner, your butter, and use your oil on the scalp to see in the moisture. Do not skip using your sealant to see in the moisture. Okay, don't just spray this and walk away. Make sure you do this. Use your oil and your butter and your leave-in conditioner to see in the moisture for better results. Guys, this will grow your hair like crazy. This will grow your hair extremely long, thicker, fuller, and longer. Help you retain a lot of length. I'm not capping. Just try it and you'll be very happy that you do so. Follow the instruction on how to prepare it and follow the instruction on how to use it. I kid you not, you will never ever regret it. There's no joke. Okay, so now, how often should you use this for better results? I would recommend, especially if you're a beginner, if this is your first time trying these 3 combination of ingredients together, I would recommend use it 1 to 2 times per a week. Yes, is also very effective. Just observe how your hair and your scalp respond to it. Okay, you can increase it from 3 times or 4 times a week. So for me, my scalp love it and my hair love the treatment. I'll be using the treatment 3 to 4 times per a week. Sometimes I use it 5 times per a week. Guys, I'm not joking. Okay, this work like amazing. This is one of the ingredients that have helped me to achieve this amount of thickness, healthier, longer, voluminous hair I can ever imagine. There's no capping. Okay, but the secret is consistent and patient. Consistent is more important than using expensive products or using it excessive amount of it. Just try to be consistent and be patient with your hair. You will definitely see that huge transformation on your hair. Okay, and this is something I really want you to remember. Your hair is already growing. The biggest challenge for many people is keeping the length they grow. If your hair break consistent, you may feel like it is not growing, even when it actually is. So alongside your scalp routine, focus on protecting your ends. Keep your hair moisturized. Be gentle when detangle your hair or handle your hair. Avoid unnecessary tension and maintain a consistent routine. You see the magic start happening. Okay, now I want you to turn this into a challenge. Today is day 1. Take a clear picture of your hair. Pay attention on your edges, your hairline, your ends, and the overall condition of your hair. Then continue your normal healthy hair routine and check it again after 7 days. But do not expect your hair to magically grow inches in 7 days. Instead, Look for changes in how your hair is feeling, how manageable it is, how much breakage you are expecting, and how well you are retaining your length. Okay, now I want to hear from you. Do you normally rinse rice water out of your hair, or do you leave it in on your hair? Comment rinse if you are always rinsing it out on your hair or washing it out on your hair, and comment leave in if you are prefer leaving it in. Let me know in comment section below, and let me know the one that work best for you. So guys, there you have it. 3 simple ingredients: rice, cloves, rosemary, 1 lightweight spray, and a complete different way of thinking about your hair routine. Do not chase overnight miracle. Focus on healthy scalp, healthy hair practicals, and retaining the length you grow. Okay? And guys, if you want me to show you another powerful natural hair routine, please subscribe right now, because the next one may be the ingredient you have been using completely wrong. Okay? So guys, we have come to end of today's recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching up to this point. Please, if you have not subscribed, please do wait to subscribe before you leave, and also give this video a very big thumbs up, and also share this video with your family and friends. Okay, so guys, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you all on my next video. Remain blessed, stay safe, stay consistent, and be patient. Okay, bye.